Yo, welcome to minus two guys. Quarantine day something something vlog. Going to buy a stand-up desk at Costco for $2.99. I guess that's the lowest you can go. So I'm just gonna make the trigger. Pull the trigger, buy it, and unbox it, guys. So subscribe for more cool gaming tech videos. Bye. Oh wait, I'm not. This is part one. Is it? Oh wow, it's not pretty bloody. Okay, so I'm finally home in my messed up setup. Here's what's in the box for the desk. A, B, and C. So one little box, guys, with this. Looks like nothing rare, nothing now, but yeah, it's a big box with just three things inside of it. That, and this leg. The legs, of course. So nice simple desk with height adjustment. Um, yeah, I'm gonna install it. Show you guys. Oh yeah, and now I'm using. Sorry, the light is blinding. But now I'm using this white cheap IKEA table now. This is kind of bendy in the middle, bending in the middle. Yeah, if I say
Try me,
bendy, we
bitch.
just play bendy too much on the iPad. But hey guys, new setup coming. Yeah, gonna try to get some cool shots as I'm building it. Hopefully, I'm not a noob at recording. But yeah, guys, this is the $300. I forgot the name of it, but I'll post it soon. Yeah, let me start building. By the way, first setup was, first time lapse was assembling a desk. So this is it, guys. Again, it's called the Tresanti or adjustable height desk. And I have it plugged in now. We're just gonna try it out really quick again, with the old and with the new. Oh, whoa! Sounds like a car. But it's working. It goes high, but yeah, I'm not gonna play with it too much. I got to move everything else. What's up, guys? So I just want to say I'm not done yet, and the reason is because I hate wires. Okay, it's taking me forever here. I'm looking at it right now. It's hell. Computer wires, electronic wires are hell. I'm gonna be up till like 2 in the morning. Hey guys, happy Sunday, quarantine Sunday. The setup is finally finished. I got done with the adjustable height desk. Gonna give you guys a quick sneak peek here. It's not much, but it's functional. Pretty small, but here we go. So I have another brown desk here that I've not done cleaning yet, of course. PC over there, and then this is it. Why am I talking in slow motion? But yeah, guys, pretty much it. Little small YouTube slash workstation here. I have one LED light in the back. Do you want to get some more? This is it. Nice glass table, black glass, of course. I have it on pretty high setting now because I'm standing up. And just give you guys a quick test of the functions here. Oh yeah, there's also USB chargers ports here as well. I already put a hook in here for like a headset stand holder. There's also a drawer in here. Yeah, and the settings, the buttons pressed to move it up is under my mouse pad, unfortunately. But just a quick test here. I go all the way down on the previous first saved preset. So it's going to go all the way down. Alright. There you guys have it, guys. A quick gaming setup. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, guys, this is it. Oh, stay tuned for my full review for this Logitech G815 keyboard. It's an awesome keyboard. That's expensive, but I had to get it. Just had to get it. But anyways, guys, subscribe, like, comment, and subscribe to Minus Tube. I already said that.